up, you guys? So this is the last day in Atlanta. I didn't get to vlog yesterday because I didn't want to take a chance and bring the camera into the bar, and he told me that I can't bring a camera. So
I want to get some soul food.
we about to get some soul food because we can't come to
Atlanta.
the South and not try soul food. Like what?
We about to get thick.
We about to get thick the day before we go back to Jersey. Just by this one plate of soul food.
Mary Max. Girl. Chuck. Okay. 6. 5 stars. 5 stars.
Okay. They got like 4,000.
She keep doing 5 stars. 5 stars.
I look at that too. I'm like, you might have 4 stars, but it's only 100 reviews.
Well, we should be in California right now. At Coachella. Everybody's just so lit in Coachella. At Coachella.
That was a different type of spider. Oh my god, it was a spider?
It was a spider.
Where did it go?
Fuck shit.
We got a problem.
We gotta get out. No, we gotta get out. Come on, Nakia.
Yeah, get out right now.
Lead party of 2, Jones party of 5. Lead party of 2, Jones party of 5.
Mary Max. Let's see how it
Folk shop? No, that's it.
That's it? That's right. That's what he said.
Come circle my ear.
Let's go back.
Thank you. No problem. Jesus Christ. Robert did it again, mama.
Alright.
Robert did it again.
3 legs with potatoes and mac and cheese.
Yeah, that's it. Well, I already know that was the last one.
And the side of chicken with the bread. Looks so good, guys. I'm about to dig in.
It's probably
That's not actually something. Guys, this food was amazing. Like, amazing. I'm so full.
She ain't know what I was saying.
Yes. Black beauty, melanin.
See the waves? This one needs to stop.
This one is disrespectful.
Like 9 minutes long.
This is the line for the Trap Museum, guys.
It's really hard to wear glasses.
I'm not really sure what's in there, but we're about to find out. It's lit.
Otherwise, she just be looking. Oh, like, Stephanie, are you alive?
Huh?
Oh, Lord. I'm glad you can bring your camera and vlog.
Why?
So you can stay busy. You'll be looking bored.
Yeah, no, half the time I be tired for some reason. I'm always tired.
Young Jot, is that you? Get out of here. Young Jot, is that you? Robert?
You should not be looking bored. These wigs over here, these frontals. The way they laces were.
She said I never brought a $10 I never bought that. I just want my bro.
Some people be finessing the $10 wigs though. They do.
My niece can.
They do. They be finessing it.
I mean, it ain't like, you know, it's good. Like they don't give a shit. It only lasts a day. It does last a day. And they bring it back to life.
With what? It was never alive.
It was never allowed.
It's always there. Revive that bitch.
They like, this is how you boil it. I'm not boiling that.
Right, that's gonna catch on fire. You gotta boil it, cook it, season it up.
Boil it, cook it, dye it, cut it.
Season it. When you on the season, not throw it out, child. It ain't even frozen. Throw it out. Throw it out. Let that bitch marinate.
You guys all walk in, you just stand left hand right to each other. There's no single file line. I'm feeling all the space.
I'm already excited.
Go ahead. You need the confirmation? The ticket number? It's 26565.
Alright, here, I'll say thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Mine is 265.
Wow.
After the day.
I feel like I'm in somebody. Wow.
Get out of here. I don't want to live like this, bitch. Drake? I mean, somebody drink. Nah, I'm afraid.
They got oodles and noodles. A couple noodles.
No other food in the cabinet.
No other food. Pork skins, Lay's potato chips.
Dirty ass.
Wow.
With the roach.
The plates.
The
Paper plates over here.
Yeah,
Chick-fil-A sauce. Yeah, it looks about right.
look about right, Mr. Trap.
Wow, they got money in the fridge. They really be having money in the fridge?
Why the drugs frozen?
They don't be having money in the fridge.
The pills. It's frozen.
Oh, wow.
Brick. Got them brick.
Trap house. Trap house. Trap house. Trap house.
They better have my brother.
First of all, why they got this? Why they make my boy look like that? They got my boy looking. Let me put this on here. I gotta say, Memphis, look how they did us in Atlanta. Look how they did us in
It's so dope in here. Alright guys, this is it. We're leaving Atlanta. Arrivals? Why are we in the arrival center? It's either Delta or...
Where's the part? Got the cars in here. Check in? Yeah.
No, we didn't check in. We're gonna do it at the Ziosk.
At the what?
The Ziosk.
That's the machine.
Yeah, that's what we call it, Ziosk.
You gotta learn new things every day.
Right, that's crazy.
It's Frontier airline. I never heard of that.
Frontier. It sounds like a water company.
No, it's right here. Boutique Air. Oh, they got one. I ain't gonna tell my mother about the She was like, whenever it comes, just let me know.
Focus, focus. Alright guys, so we're leaving Atlanta right now. We had a lot of fun. We're in the plane right now, getting ready to take off. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We had a lot of fun. Say bye to my vlog.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I love you.
Double up, 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up, I ain't telling no lies, I just, yeah. I ain't telling no lies, I just 5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got to you that morning. My dreams come true, my life